Okay, next kita cuba tengok the evolution of data models. Okay. Evolution of major data models. Ini adalah contoh major data models, evolusi daripada first generation, okay, second, third, fourth, okay, next generation. Okay, boleh tengok daripada tahun 1960, okay, menggunakan file system. Data model yang digunakan adalah file system. And then second generation using hierarchical and network. Okay, then mid 1970s relational data model, and then mid 1980 object oriented. Okay, object or relational, and then present to future XML. Okay, hybrid DBMS. Okay, so ni adalah contoh-contoh dia. Okay, yang ni saya tak bagi details lah. Okay, ni kita tak tekankan pun. Okay, next. Okay, so let's look at the first one, the hierarchical model, developed in 1960s to manage large amounts of data for complex manufacturing project. So basic logical structure for hierarchical model, upside down tree. The hierarchical structure contains levels or segments. Okay, nanti kita tengok figure dia selepas ni. Depicts a set of one-to-many relationship between a parent and its children segments. Okay, each parent can have many children. Each child has only one parent. Okay, so ini adalah hierarchical model. So apa yang penting adalah untuk you kenal macam mana bentuk setiap model tu. Okay, ini dia bagi contoh untuk hierarchical model. Okay, dia akan start dengan one, and bawah tu one parent. Okay, ada a few children. Okay, and then each child, okay, may have another level of children ataupun child only. Okay, and then apa yang boleh nampak kat sini, satu parent boleh ada banyak children, cuma satu child hanya boleh ada satu parent. Itu adalah hierarchical model. Okay, dan dia menunjukkan one to many relationship antara parent and children, dan dia upside down tree. Okay, level ataupun segment, dia panggil level ataupun segment. Okay, root yang atas sekali dia panggil root segment, level 1 segment, level 2 segment, and level 3 segments. Okay, okay. This is another example. Okay, root segment, and then segment type. Okay, still one to many. So just the example. Okay, advantage and disadvantages of hierarchical model. Advantage, many of the hierarchical data model features form the foundation for current data model. Okay, hierarchical model ni dia menjadi asas kepada features untuk data model yang semasa lah. Okay. Disadvantage, complex to implement, difficult to manage, lacks structural independence, okay, implementation limitation, and lack of standard. Okay. Okay, kenapa kita kata difficult to manage? Sebab dia ada hubung kait antara parent dengan children tadi. Okay, antara setiap level, dan kalau kita nak ubah struktur tu, maksudnya ni berkait dengan apa yang saya dah explain dalam chapter 1, dia lacks of structural independence. Okay, maksudnya dia adalah structural dependence. Bila kita ubah struktur tu, cara data itu diakses juga akan berubah. Okay, then that's why dia ada implementation limitation, okay, and also lack of standard. Okay. Okay, next we move to the second one, which is the network model. So network model was created to represent complex data relationship more effectively than the hierarchical model. We improve database performance, improve database standard. Okay, still it resembles hierarchical model. However, record may have more than one parent. Okay, kita cuba tengok. Okay, this is the example of network data model. Okay, if you can see here, for example, satu parent ada banyak children, and then at the same time one child can have two parents. Okay, too many. Okay, one too many here. Okay, this one too many also. So it resembles hierarchical model, collection of record in one to many relationship. Relationship is called set. So composed of at least two record types: owner, which is equivalent to the hierarchical model's parent; member, equivalent to the hierarchical model child. So dia panggil owner, yang atas ni dia panggil owner, yang bawah ni dia panggil member. Okay, konsep dia sama macam parent and child tadi. Okay, some of the concept in network model that is still used today is schema, subschema. Okay, schema, what is schema? Conceptual organization of entire database as viewed by the database administrator. So, keseluruhan database sebagaimana yang dilihat oleh database admin tu dipanggil schema. Okay, conceptual organization. And then subschema defines the database portion seen by the application program that actually produce the desired information from data contained within the database. So subschema tu adalah sebahagian daripada database yang dilihat oleh application program, okay, yang menghasilkan data yang diperlukan, okay, daripada database. Itu adalah subschema. Keseluruhan database tu kita panggil schema. Okay, next we try to look at DML, Data Management Language. Define the environment in which data can be managed. Then schema, Data Definition Language, enables the data admin to define the schema component. Okay, yang ni kita akan tengok DML, DDL ni kita akan tengok lebih detail dalam lab nanti, apa itu DML, apa itu DDL. Okay. So, untuk masa sekarang, tak perlu risau. Okay, disadvantage of the network model cumbersome sebab dia ada banyak relationship antara satu child boleh ada banyak parent. Okay, lack of ad hoc query capability place burden on programmers to generate code for reports. Okay, sebab dia dah banyak, satu child tu dah banyak parent, dia banyak relationship. And then structural change in the database could produce havoc in all application programs. Okay, sebab dia ada hubungkan antara child dengan parent tu. Kalau kita ubah, of course, bila ada perubahan dalam structure, dia akan menyebabkan sedikit kekacauan lah dalam application program. Okay, next we continue with the relational model developed by COT IBM in 1970, considered ingenious but impractical in 1970. Conceptually simple. Computers lack power to implement the relational model. Today, microcomputers can run sophisticated related database software. Okay. Okay, kenapa dia diconsider sebagai impractical? Sebab computer at that time, 1970, lack power to implement the model. But now, since computers can run sophisticated relational database software, so it is okay. For the current situation. So implemented through Relational Database Management System, RDMS. Most important advantage, ability to hide the complexities of the relational model from the user. Okay, so konsep dia pun simple. Okay, next. Okay, the relational model. A relation can be think as a table. Okay, we'll see the figure later. So table mean a matrix consisting of a series of row column intersection related to each other through sharing of a common attribute. Okay, row is actually a tuple. Relational diagram, representation of relational database entities, attributes with those entities, and relationships between those entities. So let's try to see. Okay, this is the figure showing linking relational tables. Okay, so we have two tables here. Okay, table agent and table customer. So these two tables are connected together, are linked together through the agent code. Okay, maksudnya ni adalah table yang mengisi data tentang customer. Okay, dan agent yang entertain setiap customer. So, we have agent code in the table customer, and then this agent code is also available in the table agent. Okay, so ini kita panggil relational model. So kita boleh katakan agent code itu attribute yang sama yang dikongsi di antara dua table, iaitu table agent dan table customer. Okay. So this is the relational diagram. So how to draw the relational diagram? Okay, we have table agent, okay, and then table customer. So agent code, one agent can entertain many customers. One customer is entertained by one agent only. So kenapa saya boleh kata macam tu? Kita cuba tengok. Okay, satu customer hanya ada satu agent code sahaja. Tetapi satu agent code, contohnya 502, ada beberapa kali wujud dalam table customer. Bermakna satu agent boleh menguruskan lebih daripada seorang customer. One to many. Okay. Okay, one agent can entertain many customers, but one customer is entertained or handled by one agent only. Okay, contoh agent 502, dia boleh entertain customer nama Alfred, customer nama Kathy, then Paul, and also bawah ni pun James. Okay, so that's how you read data from the table. So that's why kita ada symbol 1 here in the relational diagram. One agent can entertain many customer. Okay, and then one customer is only entertained or handled by one agent only. Okay, next, relational table. As we have seen just now, it is store a collection of related entities. Okay, resembles a file. Maksudnya kalau table tu tentang customer, semuanya tentang customer. Okay, different with file system. Apa yang membezakan dia dengan file system ialah structural independence. Maksudnya jika struktur table tu berubah sekalipun, dia tidak mempengaruhi cara untuk data access. So relational table is purely logical structure. Okay, next. Okay, rise to dominance because it's powerful and flexible query language. Query dia dah digunakan secara meluas ataupun due to flexible query language, based on query language yang digunakan. Okay, query language yang digunakan ialah structured query language, allows the user to specify what must be done without specifying how it must be done. Okay, yang ni kita akan belajar waktu lab nanti. SQL-based relational database application involve user interface, allows end user to interact with data, a collection of tables stored in the database, linked using common attributes, and then SQL engine which execute all the queries. Okay, so kita akan tengok lebih detail tentang SQL waktu lab nanti. So untuk masa sekarang, you just have to know a very basic idea about SQL. Okay, SQL adalah language yang kita gunakan untuk user interact with the data ataupun collection of tables in database. Okay, language yang digunakan.